Today I want to show you guys this box cutter. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, once you receive your package, this is what you get. So very easy operation. Once you press this to unlock, to trigger here, so you would be able to start cutting. So if you don't press that, you won't be able to do anything. So this is how it works. And you have a replacement blade over here as well. You can see this is the replacement, and it looks pretty sharp. And you have a charging cable, and it is type C. Let's go ahead and cut some box and see how it works. So over here, once you press and hold, you can see it's easily able to cut through, just like this. You can easily slice whatever you need to, just like this. Very easy operation. So make sure to continue to press. Sometimes it tends to just get a little bit loose, and it looks like it stops, but it doesn't really, because of the way I just handle. So you have to press this down, so in order to cut one shot. You can see it just cuts really nice and easy without any challenge. So you can see it feels like it's stopped, as I mentioned, but it's not really, because of the way I just press. So over here you can see, just like that, very easy cutting. You can easily take everything out. You can see, just like that, really easy operation. You would be able to just slice, and let's say we want to cut this. Very easy. So really nice, very cool. So just like this. So once you have good grip, it feels really nice, very easy to operate. So you can see, so this is how it works. You can see it performs pretty good. So I hope you guys found this useful.